The anti-hustle architecture. We've all been taught the same story. Entrepreneurship is a numbers game. More posts, more emails, more hours. We call it the grind. But after running multiple businesses, our team saw the truth. Most entrepreneurs aren't building companies. They're just sprinting on a treadmill someone else designed and calling it progress. And in the AI era, that treadmill just got faster. Sure, we can create content at light speed, but faster isn't better when it only creates noise. And noise doesn't build brand. It drains focus, buries clarity, and keeps us busy instead of effective. We didn't build our frameworks from theory. We built them inside real launches, real deadlines, and the kind of burnout that forces reinvention. We learned something simple but brutal. Speed without structure is just a faster route to exhaustion. And scaling an unproven idea, that's not growth, it's debt. Debt in time, debt in energy, debt in momentum. Real growth happens when you design a business that works without your constant frantic presence. That shift from being the engine to being the architect is what we call the anti-hustle architecture. We use AI where it matters and humans where it counts. It's the foundation of everything we teach in the lab. Here's what that looks like when you're actually building. Before we build anything, we ask one question. Do we have evidence this will work, or are we gambling with our energy? We don't guess. We validate. We test ideas with actual humans before we invest our time or sanity. We call it a smoke test. Small, fast, honest. Because the best moment to learn an offer won't work is before you've burned 6 months trying to build it. We prioritize longevity over noise. Because a business that drains you isn't an asset, it's an anchor. If you're done sprinting and ready to architect, to build a business that serves your life instead of consuming it, you're home. Subscribe. Let's create what lasts without sacrificing what matters. Welcome to the lab.